Hello and welcome to Born to Speak English. I'm Asha, and this podcast is here to help you improve your English in a fun and practical way. Today we're talking about something super important, common mistakes English learners make and how to fix them. I know learning English can be tricky. Sometimes you think you're saying something correctly, but native speakers still look confused. Don't worry, mistakes are part of the journey. But today, I'll help you avoid some of the most common ones. Mistake number 1, using he don't instead of he doesn't. I hear this mistake all the time. Many English learners say, he don't like pizza. She don't have a car. But the correct way to say it is, he doesn't like pizza. She doesn't have a car. In English, with he, she, and it, we use doesn't, not don't. A quick tip to remember this. Think of does as carrying the grammar for the sentence. You don't need to change the main verb. Mistake are 2, confusing say and tell. These words are tricky, but let me make it simple. We use say when we don't mention a person directly. Example, she said she was tired. We use tell when we mention who is being spoken to. Example, she told me she was tired. So never say, she told that she was tired. Wrong. Instead say, she told me that she was tired. Mistake number 3, using I have 25 years instead of I am 25 years old. Many learners translate directly from their native language and say, I have 25 years. But in English we say, I am 25 years old. I am 25. Mistake number 4, saying more better instead of better. Some learners say, this book is more better than that one. But better already means more good, so we don't need more. The correct sentence is, this book is better than that one. Mistake number 5, forgetting the before superlatives. In English, we always use the before a superlative. She is smartest in the class. She is the smartest in the class. Superlatives like the best, the worst, the most important always need the. Final thoughts. We all make mistakes when learning a new language, and that's okay. The key is to notice them, understand them, and fix them. Which of these mistakes have you made before? Let me know in the comments or send me a message. And if you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this podcast with your friends who are also learning English. That's it for today. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, you were born to speak English.